How to check booking details Expedia. In order to check your Expedia booking detail, you want to first of all sign into your Expedia app first thing first. And what you want to do is, if you are using a web browser, you want to go ahead and open a browser, type in expedia.com, log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you want to go to the trips from the bottom of the page, right in center. There, you want to go ahead and select find your booking. This is where you're going to locate your booking, or you will be able to see information. Now if you're booked as a guest, you could go to the findings, find your itinerary page, enter your itinerary number and email address to look up your details as well. And likewise, if you're using the app, you just want to go to the trip section and you could just check the confirmation email sent immediately after booking, which contains the itinerary number and trip details as well. And if you do not, or if you did not receive any confirmation within 24 hours, you could check your email's junk or spam folder as well. And that's how you are supposed to check booking details on Expedia. So with that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.